off, what we're going to be doing is this headlight, and I'm going to be replacing it with a smoked headlight with the LED halo, kind of the same light he's got on the front of his. You can see it for reference there. You put one of those on mine, but then at the same time, I got it's a knockoff Amazon special Crater T fairing. So, I mean, kind of see what it'll look like on the ground, but it'll look a lot better on the bike, and you won't even know it's the Amazon special. So I didn't show it, but I just knocked that bolt loose a little bit. Matt's looking for something that we can get in there. It's a little tight with all these wires in there. We just gotta knock that one loose, raise the handlebars up, and then the forks from the fairing will slide right into there. So we just relocated the turn signals, and Noah is currently working on his new tail light, getting that all plugged in and getting that all working. He went blacked out away from the stock, and then his new headlight that we're going to install is blacked out on the inside as well. So right now we've run into some hiccups. There was no instructions as to mounting the fairing. So we actually adjusted these, moved them from up here to down here. Hopefully that works, but we will keep you guys posted if that is the final conclusion. So the new tail light is now on the back of Noah's bike. Turn signals all work. Brake light works. So yes, he still has these on for now, but eventually you're gonna end up taking them off, right? Yeah.
All right, awesome. All right, so we just went and got lunch and came back. And Noah, what conclusion did we come up with?
I'm a dumbass, pretty much.
So what should have been a fairing install video is going to be changing out the lighting on a Dyna Super Glide. And we're going to move forward with the headlight after Noah did the tail light. The fairing that Noah got is for 06 and higher.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is an 04. And when we were working on it earlier, I saw this little hole right here. And when you look at the 06 and up, there's actually a bolt that goes right inside here. So this video is going to end up being changing out the headlights, Noah's first modifications to his Dyna. He's going to end up getting, what are they called, a quarter fairing. And we will do an install video on that. But in the meantime, we're going to put the old housing bracket on this and get everything mocked up and ready to rock and roll and back to kind of how it was. The more that we're thinking about it too, just because of play with the suspension, we are going to move these back up top here. Just in case you guys are wondering, we just moved them down there because I was under the impression that these that fairing was for this bike, so I moved them down there. Not best case scenario, but we are going to move those back up.
It's gotta be over here. That's why. That's the kill switch, and the kill switch was on. Alright, I got it. If you want to restart that.
Keep going.
Don't record that, you dig?
Well, the battery's dead, but that tail light looks good. It's all right. We'll put it on the trickle charger. Get it all set up for tomorrow for you to ride.
I see you put more gas in it.
No, I didn't. It just appears like there's more gas in it.
All right.
Yep. Well, let's get it in the garage, and then yeah, I'm gonna start mine up. Make sure my battery's not dead.
You think it's the cold, or was it us fucking with the lights while we were doing everything?
It could be either or. Well, one of them runs. Well, no, the battery died, but you have a new headlight, new taillight.
Yeah.
So, we're good. We'll get the rest of this finished up in the next few days. But, Noah, do you have anything to say to wrap up this video?
Nothing other than I'm a dumbass, but that'll be made known, I'm pretty sure, over the course of the YouTube channel.
All right, words of wisdom before we leave. Buy the right year parts for your bike.
Read the descriptions of the products. That would have cleared shit up pretty easy.
Perfect. Till next time, guys.